Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a POV drive of the Seat Arona FR, and right now we are in eco mode, as you can see here. Alright, so I'm gonna move off. So you can definitely feel the turbo pull even in eco mode.
No, I have not tried. Most of the time I'm more on the individual setting.
Okay, yeah, even in eco mode, like right now, I'm not even flooring it, just maybe 75% throttle, and yeah, you can immediately feel the pull. And it's quite quiet as well. Not too noisy. I think there's not much wind noise, maybe just a bit of road noise.
I think for me the wind noise comes in after at the highway. Yeah, I can hear a bit of wind noise.
I see.
Yeah, 95,
so about, okay.
100, you know, that's normal lah for
okay.
For the car for this price range.
Yeah. Put the car into sports mode. Okay.
In fact, sports mode you just can shift on the pedals as well.
Oh, okay.
Either on the this will be the pedal shift will be on manual, but on the this gear, right? See, now back to D normal.
I see. Okay.
Just toggle it down and then it change.
So yeah, their pedal shifters is quite small, but I think you can see their pedal shifters here. I forgot to mention in the review. So okay, never mind. Let this green light pass first. Okay, it's raining as you can tell, so I'm not gonna be, you know, going too fast, but immediately you can feel like the car is a bit more eager to respond in sports mode. The throttle, I think, is a bit more sensitive. Basically the car just feels more eager, and you can, the difference between eco and sports mode, it's quite obvious. So I'm being pushed back into my seat, and I'm not even like flooring the throttle, maybe like 50 to 70% throttle. Yeah, and the pickup is fantastic. Yeah, really fantastic. And when the car is moving, it feels quite smooth as well. I have to mention that the brakes are quite grippy, so they are quite sensitive. You tap on the brakes a bit and you know, you can feel it working, and you may like jerk forward a little bit. Yeah, the driving feel of this car is really good, I have to say. And the performance, it really doesn't feel like a 1 litre. I think it feels more powerful than that. Yeah.
Pump petrol.
Yeah.
And the full tank is only not so much.
40 litre tank, right?
Yeah, 40 litre tank is about just above $100, so less than $100 I would say.
40 times 2. Sorry, 1 litre $2, right? So about 80.
Yeah.
About 80.
And then with the card discount and everything. Yeah.